Hey guys, I have a new Tupperware for my squishy, and I have this all of my squishy. Okay, and we're gonna put first is the one, and we have another like this, the blue one, but my Lola said, "Can I have that because I need that for my exercise." So I give it because that's so hard kaya. And he gave me also, wait, you just wait. We traded. He trade for my like that, the blue like that. He said, but he gave me that first. But because he said, "Can I see all of your squishy?" And I said, "Okay." And he said, "Wow, can I have this because it's so good? I need this for my exercise." No, this is for must exercise like that. And if we done there, just put this dumpling. Wait, I have a good news, guys. I have a new dumpling. It's not open. I have two dumplings. So I have two, diba? I have two. And this is red, diba? That's red and no face. Kaya close. Sarong pala. And I have this yellow, diba? This is foam, diba? And the red one is water. And this is foam. And I have a new too. And I wanna get is the orange, purple, and blue. And I wanna get the green one also. Of course, the glitter one. So glitter first. And I wanna get here is the white one, blue, pink, and green, purple. That one. Let's open first is, oh my gosh, what's happening? It's no plastic. So me. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Okay. Now this one. Ah, yes, it's this one. Okay. Oh my gosh, closing my eyes. Please. What's this? Guys, what color? What color is it? Are they some have eyes? My gosh! I got the pink one. Okay, see. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, it's so good. Let's do next. Please, I get that. Okay, I see it now. Oh my gosh, it's another texture. What I get? It's orange. It's on the glitter. Oh gosh. So hard. It's so hard. Ow. Ow. It's like a massive rock. Make it. Make it. This is my favorite, huh? But my favorite is this one because my lolo gave me that for the first time. Let's put it back. Let's go put this back and put this back also, of course. Wait, I'm gonna go back if I put it back. Done, I put it back. And let's get the back. First of all, let's put this dumpling. This dumpling. Oopsie. That dumpling. And that dumpling. And if I have a dumpling, I'm just gonna put it here or up. I have this cheese and the buttered squash. Strawberry and a gummy bear. Let's close it. Wait. There we go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, I'm your squishy girl and roller skate girl. I love you. Bye bye.